my name is Clara, and I work at Earth Science Products Corporation, the manufacturer of Wood's rooting compound, the professional's choice. Wood's is a liquid concentrate that you can dilute to meet the specific needs for the species you've decided to propagate. This video will show you the basics of plant propagation or cloning. Before you get started, research your species to determine the best season and plant maturity to guarantee success. Then get everything ready. Your woods, water, measuring devices, your soil and propagation trays, nice sharp pair of scissors, and your propagation tray might want to have a lid. This will help control moisture and temperature. Wood's rooting compound allows the gardener to easily dilute our product for their particular plant. Contact us with questions about optimal dilution ratios. Wood's is also a great product for cannabis. We recommend a dilution of 1 part Wood's to 15 parts water for best results. To make a cutting, first select a healthy growth that is 3 to 6 inches long. Count down to the 4th node and make a cut at a 30-degree angle between the 4th and 5th node. Trim the leaves back and leave that cutting with a point. Today we're going to propagate a little blue star juniper, and for that I'm going to use a ratio of 15 to 1. 1 part Woods. I'm going to put about 10 milliliters in there to 150 milliliters of the water. And I've got a young blue star juniper here I'm going to dip. The roots will form to the point where I've dipped. And give it a quick rinse so as not to damage the cambium, and restick it. I have washed the dirt away to demonstrate for you. A week later you will see a small callus forming, followed shortly by the roots. Here's an emerald queen demonstrating the same, the callus and the roots. And here they are a year later. Ask for Wood's rooting compound at your local nursery or garden center store, or order it online at our website, earthscienceproducts.com. Thank you for choosing Wood's.